गोंय सरकारान गोवा हेरिटेज धोरणावरवीं दायज संवर्धनाच्या दिकेन व्यापक पद्दत आपणायल्या। हाचे वरवीं दस्तावेजीकरण, GIS आधारित हेरिटेज मॅपिंग, डिजिटल इन्व्हेंटरीज आनी शास्त्रीय संवर्धनाक बळकटी दिवप सुरू आसा। शापोरा, खोर्जुवे, साखळे सारकिल्या ऐतिहासीक किल्ल्याचे नूतनीकरण तशेंच चांदोर सारकिल्या दायज गांवांची उदरगत करतात। गोंयची सांस्कृतीक वळख तिगोवपी देवळां दायज प्रकल्पाक चालना दितात। पारंपारीक कारिगरांक आदार दिवप, उदरनिर्वाह तयार करप हे हाचे फाटले ध्येय आसा, अशें मुख्यमंत्री सावंत सांगता।
Under leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India believes that the development must strengthen the heritage instead of erase it. Let us build the modern infrastructure, but never at the cost of our identity. Let us embark the latest technology, but never lose the sight of our traditions that have shaped our civilization. This is precisely the philosophy that Goa believes in it. Goa as a living laboratory for the sustainable architecture. Through the Goan heritage policy, we are strengthening the documentation, the GIS-based heritage mapping, digital inventories and scientific conservations. We are restoring the historic fort such as Shapora, Khorjue, Sakli and Kolwale, while simultaneously developing the heritage villages like Sandor and promoting the temple heritage projects that celebrates the Goa's unique cultural identity. It is about the strengthening the local identity, supporting the traditional craftsmen, creating the livelihood and ensuring the future generation inherits the living heritage rather than forgotten the monuments. Drone documentation, GIS mapping and climate simulations. All these technologies now allow us to preserve the heritage and more accurately than ever before. If we can harness the new technologies wisely, the future generations will now learn about their history only through the books, but also through the digitally preserved heritage that brings the past to life. Let our building reflect our climate. Let them respect the local material. Let them conserve energy. Let them harvest rainwater. Let them maximum daylight. Let them inherit solar energy. Let them remain rooted in Goa while embossing the global standard. Our aspiration is simple. We want the Goa becomes the India's living laboratory for the sustainable architecture. A place where the heritage conservation, climate resilience, technology and public infrastructures grow together. A place where traditional wisdom guides the future innovations. A place where the tradition guides and world comes and not only to admire the Goa's beauty, but also to learn the Goa's experience. Let us ensure that future generation inherit not only the strong infrastructure, but also the stronger identity. Let us build not only the smarter cities, but also the more meaningful communities. Let us prove that the heritage and development are not the competitors, they are the partners in nation building.